Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Amri Ham. Today we are going to a Amri home where they will show us how to cook pork in Amri traditional style with 12 different herbs. Well, we have reached our destination where we will be enjoying our delicious recipe, and you can see this beautiful Karbi hut where the family lives together. First, we will be preparing our bamboo tube where we will be cooking. Also, we will make grilling stick. Well, today we will be using 9 different herbs with pumpkin and homemade soda. First, we will need Naga coriander, then elephant leaves or colocasia, fig leaves, red dragon leaves, fern, curry leaves, wild tulsi, pumpkin leaf, and lastly we will need lemon leaves. Now we will be chopping the herbs into small pieces and also the pumpkin. You can throw the unwanted midrib of the leaves. We will also cut the pumpkins into small pieces and we will wash it properly. Now it's time to give some chili. We will also give the pork with turmeric and salt. Now it's time to mix all the herbs, porks and spices together. Now we will put the mixture in the bamboo tubes. Now it's time to pour the homemade black soda in the bamboo tubes. Now we will be closing the lid of the bamboo tubes tightly with banana leaves. After it's done, we have also prepared porks on grilling sticks, which we have mixed with turmeric and salt. Now we will leave the bamboo tubes in the fire for 30 minutes till it gets fully cooked. As you can see, it is fully cooked. Now it's time to take out on a bowl. The smell is really aromatic and I believe that's from the 9 herbs that we have used. Our delicious pork with the 9 herbs is ready to serve, and it looks really tasty, and even you can try this at home and I bet you will never regret it. If you like our video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Cardam.